Welcome to this video on completing the pre-construction information. In this video, I'll talk you through filling out the various sections of the pre-construction information. The pre-construction information is a pack of information about the project which is in the client's possession or easily obtained by the client. Under CDM 2015, the principal designer must create the pre-construction info pack. They must assess risks prior to construction and make every reasonable effort to minimise these through planning and design. This includes environmental considerations and hazards. If you're the contractor, this may not be your responsibility. If you're designing the project or making design changes, it will be. Click the Pre-Construction Info tab. The pre-construction information document is divided into sections. Using the navigation bar on the left, you can jump to the various sections. Use the expand and minimize buttons to show or hide the subsections. Let's have a go at editing the first section, the description of the project. To complete a section, click into a box and start typing. First type in the project description. Next, type in key dates such as the start date and end date. Fill out the proposed use. Of course, this could be something more specific for a commercial property. In existing records and plans, you can specify the location of the project drawings. And in the next section, you can type in the client brief. If you think it would be useful to save a particular paragraph for use in other projects, click the adjacent Save As button, the one with the floppy disk icon. Type in a name for the paragraph and set it to be the default in future projects if that would be helpful. I'm going to cancel out of that for now. Once you've saved your own paragraphs, you can select them by clicking the Select Another Paragraph button, the one with the folder icon. Moving on to the client's considerations and management requirements, I've already written a paragraph for this first section, so I can click the Select Another Paragraph button, select the paragraph I want to use, and then click OK. In communication and liaison between clients and others, include the client contact details and when and how they'll be contacted. For site security, detail any site security measures. That could be security fencing or hoarding, a security person, patrol, and so on. There may be nothing to type here if it's not relevant to your particular job. In the next box, set out the welfare provision, so you might need to mention a site cabin, changing facilities, hand washing stations, hot water, toilet facilities, and so on. Work your way down the pre-construction information screen, completing each section. Once you've completed all the relevant sections, click Preview to see the complete pre-construction information. This is handy for checking the document before printing. Double-click on the bar at the top to make the preview full screen. Navigate the document by scrolling down the page. Or by clicking the Next and Previous buttons on the toolbar at the top of the screen. You can zoom in by holding the Control key on your keyboard and scrolling your mouse scroll wheel towards the screen. Alternatively, use the Zoom buttons on the toolbar. Click the Page Layout button to view two pages side by side. You can print directly from the preview if you're ready to by clicking the Print button. Alternatively, click X to close the preview and return to the Pre-Construction Information tab. Click the Export button to export the pre-construction information to a range of different file types. This is what you need to do if you want to email the document to someone. Firstly, select the output format. You might find the PDF or Word document useful, or you might want to use the Open Document text format. The pre-construction information document has already been selected, but you may want to select other documents to export at the same time. You can opt to add a cover sheet. The cover sheet can include all the documents in the project, just the selected documents, or the selected documents plus any previously published documents. Look at the output folder to check the save location. Browse and select another folder if necessary. Once you're happy with your selections, click Export. The folder containing the pre-construction information will open up in Windows Explorer. You can then use the documents in the usual way, for example attaching them to an email. If you want to print a hard copy of the pre-construction information, click the Print button. Select the printer from the top drop-down box, and as with the export, you can choose to create a cover sheet. Select any additional documents you want to print, then click the Print button. So that's how to edit, export and print your pre-construction information. Over to you.